All right, in today's lesson, we're going to determine what an angle measures by using what we know about other angles. So in our math message, we started with this, and our job was to prove that the corner of a square is 90 degrees. And to do that, we can really think about a full rotation of a circle. And we know that a circle's full rotation is 360 degrees. So if I make a full rotation around the circle, it's 360 degrees. And I can see that in this diagram, there are 4 corners here. So if I divide 360 by the 4 corners, then I can see that I can prove that each one measures 90 degrees. Now, if this measures 90 degrees, then a straight line is half of that rotation, and it is 180 degrees. Now we're going to use our full circle and our straight line to help us see how we might solve different problems. So if I take this square and I put 2 of them together, now I know that together this measures 180 degrees. And I can figure out how much this measures or prove that it measures 90 degrees by thinking about having 2 of these together. So 90 plus 90, so 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees right here, and this over here is 90 degrees. So 90 degrees plus 90 degrees equals 180 degrees. Let's try with some other shapes. So I'm going to pull out some triangles, and I'm going to pause a minute while I get them arranged. All right, now I have them arranged, and I have them arranged according to a straight line. So you can see that right here is a straight line, and we know that that is 180 degrees. So I can see that I have 1, 2, 3 equilateral triangles here. They have all 3 of their angles are the same size, 3 equal sizes, and I have 1, 2, 3 of them, and together they are making 180 degrees. So to find out what each one of these is, I need to divide by 3 because there are 1, 2, 3 angles here. So 180 divided by 3 equals, you got it, 60 degrees. So I know that each corner on this triangle is 60 degrees. So if this one is 60, and this one is 60, and this one is 60, then 60 plus 60 plus 60 is 180. If I know that, then I can figure out the measure of other types of angles. For example, let me pull up this rhombus, rotate it around a little bit. Now I can use what I know from my triangles to help me figure out, and the 180 degrees, to help me figure out which one, oops, let's send this behind, let's see, this on top. Alrighty, there we go. So now I can line this up right on top, and I know some things already. I know that this angle right here is 60 degrees, and I know that this one also is 60, and this one is 60. But what I don't know is what this angle is, this full angle right here. I know part of it is 60, but I need to be able to figure out about the rest of it. Now, you may be able to see that I could take another triangle and fill it right in. Now, and it would cover it up. So if this angle, let me change my color, right here, this yellow one, if this is 60, and I know it is, and this is 60, then 60 degrees plus 60 degrees equals 120 degrees. So now I know that this angle right here is 120 degrees. Do you know what this angle is? That's right. This is 60 degrees because each angle on an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. Watch, I'm going to show you how to use the circle to figure that out. Boom, like magic. Here I have a full circle, and I can use what I know about circles. I know that this circle right here has 360 degrees. So I know that this circle right here also must have 360 degrees. So I know that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles that meet at the vertex right here. 6 triangles in this circle. So if I take the 360 degrees and I divide it by the 6 triangles that I have, then I can prove that each one of these is 60 degrees. All right. So could you do the same thing with, say, a hexagon? If you know the measure of some of the angles, if you know the measure of the triangle, can you use what you know about the triangle to help you figure out what the different angles are in this hexagon? And can you do it also? Same type of problem. Can you use what you know about triangles and now what you know about the angles of a rhombus to help you figure out these two others? Happy solving!